Good morning. So yes, again, this is my laundry. I'm folding now, and the other one is still. I still have some here. Huh? Okay. Also over there, laundry. And now I doing my laundry again. Okay, guys. So today is Saturday. My kids again are out. They have the service. And now I have this before they go, before they left to the church service. I pull out, I think a few clothes to pull out from my cabinet just for them to try on and see whether they can use. So that's why I get a lot of this to fold. Okay, guys, how are you? And good morning, everyone. How is life? And Saturday now, are you preparing to keep your house clean? Let me see you again. Now it's raining. It's raining outside, and yes, this is my front view. Okay, as you can see, some changes sometimes here and there. My coffee and things, and my breakfast. I'm still doing now my laundry, and yeah, can how to dry my clothing, my laundry outside. It's raining, but anyway, I have the pool. You know, guys. You know, guys. Our side over here. This outside, right? There's something there. The Singapore flag they will put over there outside. No, but I think how many times yearly they will put. But I think they say they saw I always hanging clothes there, and maybe I cover. So it's like now they don't put any more Singapore flags outside there. There. They don't put anymore. Maybe they think, oh yeah, I put there, then we just cover it with the laundry. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, but anyway, they still put somewhere the same on our level, but it's near to the lift over there. So at least I see it, then I didn't put any laundry. But the same thing, I still hang my laundry beside of the flag. I'm sorry, Singapore. Yeah, so because every what is that? National Day, they will put a flag everywhere, or they will hang a flag on your unit. I mean, on your block. So it depends whether your unit may there's some um, designated, what is that, hook to put the to put the flag. So my unit, there's some designated hook there outside my unit, outside the ledge. So, yeah. So now it's like I don't put anymore, but it's okay. They find the solution. They find somewhere to put. So they put beside the lift. Yeah. So next time I will show you the flag. Okay. So yes. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this I can fold this, finish this today. Now a little bit left. Okay, see you. Thank you. So now this is the one. My front view again. Everywhere, messy here, messy there. Ah, the one is my favorite. Is that a flower or those kind small things? I zoom for you guys. Ah, see, that's very nice. It's like when I saw it. Sometimes they make it as I mean, there's some plasticky or plastic made of this kind of flower, but mine, this one, it's real. so I want it. That's why I keeping it. Although it's so brown color already, so it's like preserved. Okay, so thank you guys for watching and see you on my next. Bye.